In our lab, VOC emissions are measured to ensure low environmental impact and user safety. Heavy metals and restricted substances are rapidly detected using EDX-F spectrometer, providing full compliance with RoHS and international regulatory frameworks. Besides, curing behavior is analyzed through rheological testing, securing material uniformity across all production batches. Flammability testing verifies fire resistance for industrial-grade applications, while rebound testing measures elastic recovery, preventing permanent deformation under repeated compression. For structural components subject to motion or load, torsion torque and fatigue resistance are assessed to guarantee long-term reliability. Meanwhile, coefficient of friction is measured to control texture and anti-slip performance. Denumbration testing verifies wear resistance of tactile surfaces. For keypad interfaces, actuation force in life cycle testing simulate millions of presses to confirm consistent tactile response and operational durability. Alcohol abrasion testing checks print adhesion against prolonged alcohol contact. Additionally, optical projectors deliver precise inspection for high-tolerance silicone parts. Hardness values are precisely calibrated to project specification. Tensile and test strength tests confirm flexibility and resistance to fracture, and color measurement guarantees visual consistency from batch to batch.